In Python, lists are one of the most versatile data structures you will encounter. They allow you to store multiple items in a single variable, making it easy to organize and manipulate collections of data. In this lesson, we will explore how to create, modify, and interact with lists in Python. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently use lists to manage groups of related data. Don't worry if this feels new at first. This section covers what's a list. A list in Python is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. Lists are defined by enclosing items in square brackets, with items separated by commas. Lists can contain items of different data types, including integers, strings, and even other lists. Creating a list, let's dig in. To create a list, you simply assign a sequence of items to a variable. Here's how you can create a list of fruits. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. In this example, we have created a list named fruits that contains 3 items: apple, banana, and cherry. Next, accessing list items. You can access items in a list by referring to their index. Python uses zero-based indexing, meaning the first item has an index of 0. Here's how you can access the first fruit in our list. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Similarly, you can access the second and third items. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. If you try to access an index that's out of range, you will encounter an index error. Modifying a list, let's dig in. Lists are mutable, which means you can change their content. You can add, remove, or change items in a list. For instance, to change the second item in the fruits list, you can do the following. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Now, if you print the fruits list, see the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. You can also add new items using the append method. After appending, the list will look like this. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. Now, removing items from a list. To remove an item from a list, you can use the remove method or the pop method. The remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified value. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. After removing, the list will be. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Alternatively, the pop method removes an item at a specified index and returns it. This section covers iterating through a list. Often, you will want to perform operations on each item in a list. You can do this using a for loop. Here's an example of how to print each fruit in the fruits list. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. This loop will output. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Using a loop allows you to easily perform actions on each item in your list. In this lesson, we covered the basics of lists in Python. You learned how to create a list, access its items, modify its content, remove items, and iterate through it. Lists are a fundamental part of Python programming, and mastering them will help you manage collections of data effectively. Now put what you've learned into practice. First, create a list of your favorite movies and print the list. Also, add a new movie to your list and print the updated list. Also, remove a movie from your list using the remove method. Finally, use a loop to print each movie in your list. Go ahead and try this yourself before moving on.